Aloha everybody. We're going to take you on a drive down Waialae Avenue, starting at Petland by Kahala Mall. This is Pahu by Lono on his Old Style No. 4 album. It's usually the song that we use. There you can see our route here from Petland and Kahala area. We're gonna go all the way down Waialae Avenue and end at Coco Head Avenue. Here we are at Petland. Everybody buckled up. We're going to be leaving the parking lot now. There's Great Harvest Bread Company right there and Diagnostic Labs. You know when you gotta donate your blood. Not donate your blood, but when you gotta take a blood sample for a doctor's visit. Above there is the H1 Luna Lilo Freeway, but we're gonna stay down here on Waialae Avenue. You can see that sign there on the right side, maybe Assaggio's Italian restaurant. I actually like Assaggio's, it's pretty good. It's a nice, beautiful, hot, sunny day. You may never be able to see it, but on the left side is Kahala Mall. Up ahead, anyways. If you make this left, you can go to the McDonald's next to Kahala Mall. But we're not going to go that way. We're going to go straight down Waialae Avenue. I don't know what this street is. This is Kilauea Avenue. If you take Kilauea Avenue down on the left, it'll take you behind Kahala Mall and all the way past Diamond Head, all the way down to Kapahulu Avenue. We're going to stay underneath this freeway. On the left side there, you can't really tell, but that's Chili's, which is a part of Kahala Mall also. We're passing the bus here on the right, and you can check out the bus website for their schedules and routes. On the right there, you can see the shopping center where the Market by Foodland is. Also, Purvey Donut Stop and Wholesale Unlimited, where I get my crack seed stuff. And then at the corner right there in front, on the right side, is Zippy's. And I believe Kahala Sushi is still in there. This is Hunakai Street. And if you turn left here, or you can make a U-turn here and then turn right into Kahala Mall, or you can go just left, go down a little bit, and then there is a ramp that goes up into Kahala Mall, which would be a left turn in there. When we were growing up, we used to catch the bus from Kaimuki. Would be the number 1, Kahala number 1, and we'd catch the bus out this side, and then we'd come back on this side of the road. I forget, was that also the number 1? Right after this graveyard on the right side is public storage. That's where the entrance to the Waialae Drive-In used to be. You know, it was one of those, you take your car in and you watch a movie in your car or the back of the truck. It was pretty cool. You know, they'd attach the speaker to the window, or eventually I think you had the one where you tune into your AM station. But yeah, a lot of fun memories, but it's also creepy there because there's a cemetery there. I remember one time we were watching movies there with my family, and my sister had gone to the restroom, and she came back and she said, "I saw a lady without a face." That was pretty creepy. This is the Kaimuki area. It's mostly residential area. There are some businesses that you will see on our next Waialae Avenue Drive. Just so you know, the Kaimuki area, which is the area we're in, is a hot, dry area. And if you haven't subscribed to PhotoLukeHawaii yet, please subscribe. That's the channel you're watching now. And like this video if you can, and share it with other people, and watch for our live streams that we have a couple times a week. And we are listening to Hanai Kapono by Lono on Old Style No. 6. You can find it on Old Style No. 6, also known as E Aloha E. You can buy Lono's music on lonomusic.com. Just go to his website. The link will be down below. Thanks everybody for joining us on this drive. Don't forget to watch the next episode, and you'll see more of Waialae Avenue and some of the businesses that are on it. On the right side here is Wilhelmina Rise, and that is a road that goes really straight up and steep. This is Coco Head Avenue. We're here up up ahead, and this is where we're going to end our drive. Thanks everybody for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. See you next time.